All right, happy Wednesday, midweek already. It's already Wednesday, man. I mean, this time just keeps flying by, but we're having fun. So yesterday was a great day. All the indices was up. Tesla pretty much carried the market yesterday, almost hit 1,000. I think it hit 999 or something like that, and now pulling back this morning so far. Powell speaking about digital currencies, so that's spooking the market for some reason. And also, oil's up a little bit, and mortgage rates are up. There's some news about mortgage applications plunging 14% or so. So there's some weird economic data going around. But I mean, the dip is pretty much expected at this point, right? I mean, we ran pretty hot for the last several sessions. Of course, yesterday was a monster session for all of us here in TRT. So here we go, 353.89 Qs in the on the 5-minute chart in the pre-market so far. We hit a break-even supply here yesterday and pulled back. I'm pretty much convinced at this point I'm going to load the dips up today. So might be a red day on the market, but the chart speaking wise, there's got to be some period of consolidation. So it's a good time to start loading calls or, going out several weeks. Qs is going to be a good one. I still hold April 29th 380 calls, and I still have some Friday calls as well for Q. So this is my favorite play. So I scalp this pretty much every single day. So we'll see where it's at, where it goes today. But again, I mean, it went from 350 nearly 357, so 7-point move yesterday for the Q. So a little bit of pullback, it's okay. We'll see where the dip is. I would actually just watch this 350 area, make sure we don't break 350, or else we're going back down. But there should be some bull market support here pretty soon here. All right, so that's what I'm watching today. Also, GME, the apes are back. Hit up GME went to 148 in the after hours yesterday. I'm gonna load some dips here and play some YOLO GME. I'll be an ape if you guys want me to. Sure, why not? There's some money on the table here. You guys should be looking at TIGR. It's a slow moving stock so far here in the pre-market, 623. However, the charts are looking really good. BABA still continue to run up. If you guys have seen BABA, the only thing I'm scared about BABA is the fact that there are two major gaps here in the last two pre-markets here. It's just not something I want to touch, and usually consolidates during the day and doesn't make too big of a move. But China stocks are still looking good, and I still hold NEO calls going into earnings for tomorrow. Actually, yes, tomorrow. All right. One more thing is that Intel CEO and also Micron CEO will be speaking before Congress today. So MU is something to watch here. Rejected at the moving average 200 yesterday. That's not terrible. It's trying to get back up that moving average 200. I'm waiting for maybe a dip to like 70. I don't know, $76 range, right about here or so, to start loading up on some calls going into April, because they do release earnings next Thursday, the 29th. So I'm going to be tweeting a lot of Cal GIFs for you guys. All right. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow.